This video will be about how to perform simple multiple regression analysis. So I've opened the SPSS dataset already. You go to Analyze, Regression, Linear. Then you first input your ultimate y variable. Then you put the control variables. Now this one is simple multiple regression analysis, so it only has one model. So school type, where is the final? This is the final covariate. Then we do x variables. Okay, this is where the x variables start from. Let me put them in order of magnitude from smallest to largest. Okay, that's the smallest, second smallest. Okay, this one is bigger. Second largest and the largest. Then we go to settings. If we put descriptives, it will generate unnecessary data. Linearity, diagnostics, okay. Plots, zip red goes to x, zip seed goes to y. Okay, save. This will generate unnecessary data. Over time you will know which things to click, so it doesn't generate unnecessary data. Options list-wise will exclude variables with missing values, so we want pairwise so that we have full utilization of the sample. Style, okay, we can cancel. Bootstrap, cancel. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Now this is simple multiple regression analysis. It's not hierarchical. So for the simple, we look at the sig values. Like I mentioned last time, these are significant. So this means that these hypotheses there are supported, all these hypotheses. So the regression model, the overall regression model, is statistically significant. The sig value there is significant there. So we go to coefficients. This is how you copy. Okay, simple multiple regression analysis. So what we can do here is just add asterisks to this based on these sig values here to the standardized betas. So this one will have 3 stars, so that means it's supported. So the only difference between simple multiple regression and hierarchical sorry for that. Hierarchical, you introduce each variable at a time. After you factored in the control variables, we introduce each variable and know the individual contribution power of each variable. Okay, is this opening? It's taking long to open. Okay, should we copy same as source? Okay, can copy it like this. Okay, so based on what we've seen there, 2, 3 stars. Okay, let us not do that. Let's go to same as source, text only. So these are the ones that are supported because of the sig value here. We're using the standardized beta. This is for, it has got how many stars here? 3 as well. So these are supported. Simple multiple regression has only got one model. Hierarchical has got multiple models. Okay. Is this less than 5.5? I believe so. It's exactly 0.5. We want something statistically significant at 1%. Then this is greater, so this is these are the supported hypotheses if it's simple linear regression. Okay, let me just pause this video. Okay, so for simple multiple regression, the table has to look a bit like this. The table has to look a bit like this. So I can put the asterisks with the sig values. Yeah, so those were there's only, so here I could have put the asterisks with the sig values, but this is also okay. Yeah, but it should look similar to this. Once you curate the table and everything, it should look like this. That's for simple multiple regression analysis. Then in the other video I'll talk about hierarchical regression analysis. Okay, that's it for this video.